would like to state that I'm surprised that GCZMA, in spite of the notification, has not come for the inspection. Okay, GCZMA was specifically called for this inspection. And if you look at the environment and the area, anyone knows that this is an area where all environmental issues are related to. And therefore, we needed the GCZMA present here. Till date, we've not had a single site inspection without the GCZMA authority being present. And I would like to know, I really want to know, because maybe I'm ignorant about a certain rule or regulation that prevents the GCZMA from attending this site inspection today. I would request the concerned authorities to take a definite stand on this issue and bring the issue to completion. Because what are we doing coming here again and again, only to see more and more illegalities taking place?
पर्यावरण मंत्र्यांनी ह्या इशूत मातशें लक्ष घालचें.
जो पळय एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर आसा मिस्टर निलेश काब्राल ताका आमी स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट करतात आनी हांगा येवन पळोवचें, ही सायट इन्स्पेक्ट करची आनी हातून कितें इलिगेलिटी जाल्ले आहा ते पळोवच्यो आनी जाला ते काडचे. ताज्या पयलीं आमचें खर हें आसा कितें आसा की MLAन आपले एक्स्ट्रा इंट्रस्ट घेवचे हातून, जे पळय खंयचे ऑथॉरिटी आसा तांकां कन्विन्स करपाक हे सुवातेर जायना म्हणून हे करूंक जायना आनी तें करपाक तेणें इनिशिएटीव घेवन इमिजिएट करूंक जाय. आतां इतलो तेंप जालो म्हणल्यार हें जायना म्हणल्यार सरप्रायझींग. गव्हर्मेंटूय आमचे BJPचो आसा आनी आमचे MLA BJPचे.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.